According to the National Electrical Code, Article 300.5, underground conduit for services rated at 100 amps or more must be rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, or Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride conduit. Article 300.4d of the NEC states that conductors installed in conduit, cable trays, or other raceways shall not be subject to physical damage. This means that the conduit or raceway must provide adequate protection against damage from external forces such as impacts, crushing, or bending. While the NEC does not explicitly prohibit clamping service entrance cable to the side of a house, this practice is generally not recommended due to the potential for physical damage. Service entrance cable is not as durable as conduit and can be easily damaged by impacts or other forces. Based on the information, the following options would be compliant with the NEC. Firstly, Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride conduit. This option would provide adequate protection from physical damage and is not prohibited for underground services. Secondly, rigid metal conduit or intermediate metal conduit. These options would also meet the code requirements for underground conduit. While all of the options would be technically acceptable, using Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride conduit would provide the most protection from physical damage and is a cost-effective choice.